Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. So first you have to open your Outlook, log in, and then here you have to tap on the new mail button or option. Now you have to enter the email address and you can also add a subject right here, though this one is optional. Once you have added the email address, you can now add the message that you want to send to that specific person or group. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the file button at the top left corner, scroll down, tap on properties, and then here you have to look for delivery option. Now here basically click the drop down and then you can now choose if you want to tap on do not deliver before, and then you can choose your date and time. You can also tap here expires after. And then finally, once you're done with that, then you can now click send. The email will stay in your inbox until the scheduled time. This tutorial is also same thing if you're using Mac OS and of course Windows. So again, you just have to go to file, go to option, go to properties, and then go to delivery option. And basically that's it. So before it's sent, go to your outbox or scheduled folder and then open the email, make changes, or click cancel send to delete it. Now, I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.